Excuse me. Yes.
I believe you, Kimberly. I saw you driving all the time, okay? Just sit tight and we'll run your information, okay? She had no ID, no DL. She just threw something on the car. What did you just throw into the car?
These people be acting like these cars be slow.
Grab her.
Only thing about crabs, boy, them motherfuckers slow.
Yes, you did. You just threw crap underneath the car. Stand right there. Don't move. You got it?
Mm. But what's your favorite thing out of the seafood boil?
It's like crack.
I only have one.
Yeah, like if it like what's your favorite, like your top, like besides I say besides crab because I feel like the crab legs, I feel like that's like
Out of this one or anywhere?
anywhere.
Probably the shrimp. But this one right here,
I think mine is the corn.
but this one, I say the corn and the eggs.
That corn good, ain't it?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Mm.
Alright, there's a crack pipe. All it is a socket.
That sauce got a little kick to it, but
It's got shortboard packed in the end.
it ain't that bad.
To keep the crack from coming through the pipe. You want to talk to me about what happened?
Mm.
And then you tried to toss it under the car, but when you saw the female deputy show up, you knew you were going to get searched. You know that the crack cocaine is a felony. Kim, it's one thing after another.
Yeah, it was so good. I wish I could taste it. Dang, we should have had some baby wipes or something.
Just been dispatched.
No, because we done already used. Right.
Motorcycle racing up and down the road.
But
Somebody's been assaulted with a bat.
hand me this make me like a wet.
I'm about to watch you right.
Yeah, wet one. I'm dead. What's that beside that thing? These flies bold, boy.
What's what beside what? Oh, this?
Yeah.
That damn chicken I had earlier.
I'm dead. That's what he's trying to get.
I'm gonna go grab my camera.
I just want to make sure I understand. You know the individual.
I'm glad both of them got black in them because I get to wear white shoes with them.
Driving though, right? And it's his younger brother that
Damn, like, you killed yours.
Fucking the main thing that I try to eat first is the crab legs, just because I don't really like heating my crabs up. I'll fuck them up first. Then I go to the eggs. The eggs and like the sausage. But the last thing really be like the potatoes for real, cause yeah, them potatoes don't fill you up. How do we see?
Don't reach for
Oh
it.
yeah,
I was looking for that damn shea butter yesterday.
that's what I need.
When you both turn around for me, I'm just gonna pack it down. Anyone have
Tell me what happened.
Alright, so it all started, I was riding my bike up and down the road, okay? And it's, it's a newer bike, I'm just switching it, okay, I'm not gonna try line you guys, I was hitting about 70 miles an hour, and the guy came out and threw a rock at me. He hit me, right, he bounced off me. So this is how it all ended.
And you know what else too? That damn drink.
And the first thing he says to me, he doesn't say anything else, he doesn't say, hold on.
Hell yeah.
Anything out of the car.
You got to sip.
So I get it back just for
You gotta sip your soda like every 10 bites.
everything off and came out.
And if you don't,
So self-defense, I had it with him. He came after
you want me fool.
Self-defense, you had to hit him with a baseball bat.
He came after me. I just went through the front. He threw everything. He first went like this and threw everything off and went after me.
your brother, and was your buddy up there as well? Just your brother?
He was the one that threatened me. He came at me.
Babe, you went out to eat with a girl, and she was eating fast, like, you know, like how the dudes do in prison, like, not like they starving, but like you just know you got like 10 minutes to eat, so you try to eat fast. If you take a girl out on y'all first date and she eat like that, what would you say? Huh?
She just came home.
You would say that, or you would think that?
I will ask. Did you just come home?
And what if she be just like, no, that's just how I eat? Girl,
If you say that, I wouldn't even know.
I have him working on here taking for me.
so when we went on our first date, I didn't eat like that.
You didn't eat like what?
What was
How
our
you
first
eating now?
date?
Our victim stated that there was a
Damn,
piece of rebar that was used. You don't know where the
grandson.
baseball bat is that you hit him with?
Oh yeah, it sure was.
Okay.
I just tried getting out of the
I remember everything, motherfucker.
Michael, put your hand behind your back.
Well, I got
I
pregnancy
remember
brain
you
right
try
now.
you try to drug me. The first time we did it,
For assault.
How I try to drug you?
you gave me that honey pack.
So, is there
What honey pack?
way I get to speak?
Motherfucker, you told me you gave me a honey pack.
I don't remember that.
Step back to this
You
vehicle.
lying.
I did not try to Bill Cosby you.
The SUV. Brother states that they grabbed the baseball bat prior to going down to contact our victim. So, we definitely
What I said, I put it in a drink.
actually assault
Yeah.
our victim.
Or did I put it in the liquor? Make a
I know
nigga
you
want
put it
to
in the
tip.
drink, probably the liquor.
These crab legs good, but I ain't going back to them people because
They high as fuck.
they high as hell, and then these
But give me a pair of them shorts. Put them on.
little ass pieces of meat.
Watch it. With Cascade Platinum Plus, I have upped my dish game. I just scrape
What man? What shorts?
and I'm done.
Either one.
The new ones you just got?
Only Platinum Plus is packed with more Dawn to remove up to 100% of grease and food residue. Get the highest
Sorry.
standard of clean, even in your
I didn't want to put no sauce on it.
Clean
They
enough for
better
you?
look like some wrestling
All
shorts.
right, I'm getting
Scrape,
full
load,
now.
done. Cascade Platinum Plus. Dare to dish differently.
Everybody got shorts and shit coming out now.
Rough Riders.
What is damn name on the back of?
DMX. Huh. What they really wrong from my nigga?
Get yours now. Get 5750
Mhm.
total value on this Silverado.
This guy say,
Eligible vehicle. That's
flesh of my
10% below
flesh,
MSRP.
blood of my blood.
Chevrolet. Together, let's drive.
That sound like some Illuminati shit.
Sticking it to the
Huh?
boss. That sounds fun. We have
I said that sound like some Illuminati shit.
So isn't the boss? Well, you could say I'm a boss at helping people save when they're little.
No thanks, we're not gonna say that. Very creepy.
Mm.
This is extreme right here.
What you gonna do when I be scared to suck it like that because if that motherfucker come out too fast.
Apparently there's a couple guys fist fighting over here on the side of the road. Yeah, they're still going at it.
Your ass is grass.
60. Put me on a 416 in front of the
Let me
office.
do
man.
it onion
Rainbow. Best of the west.
and a sausage.
Get in front of the car.
Lemon
Stand in
rain,
front of the car.
lemon rain.
Put your hands behind your back. Drop the lighter. What's going on? Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Mind if I check you real quick? Hey man, don't be throwing my phone like that. Look, relax. Man, that's my phone.
The beauty of a seafood boil though is getting messy. I ain't gonna cap. I got butter sauce on me. Lonnie got butter sauce on her.
Have a seat.
Come on, you sorry.
What is this? Rock? I didn't want to
Probably
get it out.
reloaded.
Chucky! No, Tommy! I'm getting out of here! I want to be little again! I don't want to be a big people anymore!